The objective of this course is to get you acquainted with the application of natural language processing in trading. After completing this course, you will be able to predict stock and bond prices using news sentiment data, explain word embeddings, define and compare various word embedding methods, such as bag of words, TF-IDF, Word2Vec, and BERT, and use machine learning algorithms to generate sentiment from news headlines. This course is divided into multiple sections. In the first section, you will be introduced to this course. Then, you will learn about different sources of news sentiment data. In the next sections, you will predict the stock and bond prices using news sentiment data. You will also learn about the complexity in calculating the bond returns. Next, you will learn about word embeddings and different word embedding methods, such as bag of words, TF-IDF, Word2Vec, and BERT. We feed these word embeddings to machine learning algorithms to predict sentiment score. After this, we will compare each of the embedding methods. The codes that you created in the course can be extended further and used for paper trading. You can refer to the guide on how to automate trades. Finally, you will learn to set up a Python environment on your local machine. You can download all the Python codes used in the course to practice further.